Good afternoon. This is Joan Summers, and I'm going to explain how to graph the inequality 2x plus 10 is greater than negative 5y. First, replace the inequality symbol with an equal sign, and then graph the related equation. So we change it to 2x plus 10 equals negative 5y. Solve for y by dividing both sides by the coefficient of y, the negative 5. So we have negative 2/5 x plus 10 divided by negative 5 equals negative 5 divided by negative 5y, which of course simplifies to negative 2/5 x minus 2 equal y. Well, if we reverse the order of that equation, you should recognize this now as being the slope-intercept form for the equation of a line. So to graph this line, we know we have a slope of negative 2/5 and a y-intercept at negative 2. So in my lab, I'll choose my line tool and I'll put a point at the y-intercept, negative 2. That's where it crosses the y-axis, and then use my slope, so I count down 2 and over 5. So the point 5, negative 4 is on my line. All right, if the inequality is strictly less than or greater than, we're going to draw a dashed line. This will indicate the line is a boundary and not part of the solution. But if ours had been less than or greater than, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to, we would have had to use a solid line. So on your palette you see your tools. Make the selected object a solid line, make the selected object a dashed line. So we want it to be dashed because ours was strictly greater than. So now we have our dashed line. The graph consists of a shaded region that is either above or below, left or right of that line. To determine which region we should shade, choose a point that's not on the line as your test point. Substitute those coordinates of that point into your original inequality and determine whether or not the point is a solution. If the point is a solution, shade the region containing that point. If not, shade the opposite. So let's try an easy point like the origin, 0, 0. So we sub that into our original inequality, and we'll have 2 times 0 plus 10 is greater than negative 5 times 0. Or 10 is greater than 0. Well, that's true, and therefore the point 0, 0 is part of our solution, is a solution. So we want to shade the region that would contain the point 0, 0. So we'll take our shading tool and we'll click above. And then we can save it and check our answer, and we've got it correct. Thank you.